If you're a commercial property manager, you may have heard of Re-Leased, but is it the best software for your commercial property management needs? Well, today we'll be diving deeper into Re-Leased and offer an alternative. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a landlord and real estate investor here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but today we're going to be doing a comparison between Re-Leased and DoorLoop, starting with some background on Re-Leased. Re-Leased is a commercial property management software that allows you to manage, track, and improve property management all in the Re-Leased connected cloud. Re-Leased exists to empower the people behind property to drive positive change, speed up daily operations, and serve up insights to maximize revenue and enhance the tenant experience. So all that being said, let's hop into a comparison of Re-Leased and DoorLoop based on the features, pricing, customer service, and the ease of use. Starting with the features of these two softwares. Re-Leased features include tenant and lease administration, property operations and maintenance, CAM budgeting, reporting, online tenant payments, sync with accounting tools, and a mobile app. Many of these features will help make your day-to-day operations much more efficient. Let's see what DoorLoop has to offer first. DoorLoop's features include a full accounting suite that also can sync with QuickBooks and run custom reports, automatic payments with many payment options including credit card, ACH, Cash App, and Chime, a tenant portal to centralize communications and send reminders, an owner portal to keep your owners in the loop with custom reports and printing checks, marketing and leasing tools that syndicates your listings to many sites including Zillow, Trulia, HotPads, and Apartments.com. Then you can run checks on your applicants and e-sign the leases all on the same platform. Maintenance tracking, where you can manage tenant requests, track work orders, and pay vendors all in one place so you never miss a thing. A mobile app, and much more. If DoorLoop's features sound like they will level up your property management business, then click the link in the description. All of those features may sound great, but what's the price like? Well, Re-Leased has 3 tiers in their pricing plan. These are called Core, Pro, and Enterprise. But unfortunately, the specific prices are not listed on their website, so you'll have to contact them. DoorLoop starts at just $49 per month for up to 20 units. You can even get a free demo to explore the software yourself right now, so click the link in the description for your free demo. Customer service can be a huge factor when choosing the perfect solution. The best way to get a real report on customer service is to read real reviews from real people on sites such as Capterra. Now, DoorLoop is a great solution if customer service is a really big priority for you. Users report having an incredibly easy time getting a hold of support quickly. In addition, with DoorLoop, you can speak with real, live human beings who help with your support requests. Ease of use is where you can make or break your experience with software. Re-Leased has a sleek UI, which could draw the conclusion of being easy to use, but a great way to measure ease of use is once again with real customer reviews on sites like Capterra. This is another one of DoorLoop's strengths. In fact, it did win an award for it, and users report DoorLoop's dashboard being incredibly easy to navigate, the software itself lightning fast, and the accounting tools and other features being structured in a way that makes it incredibly easy to find whatever you need. So now that you have a good idea of what features Re-Leased and DoorLoop have, along with the pricing, customer service, and ease of use, it's time to decide which one you will use. The truth is, the best software is one that's going to help your business succeed, meet your needs, and grow your business. Now, I should mention that DoorLoop was made by property managers for property managers. DoorLoop is using the newest property technology and is constantly adding new features as requested by real users. If you think DoorLoop is the right fit for you, or you just have more questions about it, then click the link below for a free demo and you'll even get a special discount on the software. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for more property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!